Hello all my viewers around the globe, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make from 1,000 to 2,000 US dollar while buying new coins on CoinGecko. So just stick with me until the very end. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from Simo Crypto. With that said, let's dive into the video. So this is how CoinGecko looks like. As you can see it from here, this is how you just come on internet and you click CoinGecko. Automatically it will come here, and once it pop up, this is how it looks like. So once you're on CoinGecko, you will look for new coins. This is where you're going to find new coins. After clicking on new coins, then you will come here. These are the new coins that are added in the last couple of 30 days. These are the new cryptocurrencies. This is the current price. This is the chain. Actually, the chain, this is the blockchain that they are going to use in transferring, because some of these coins, they don't have their specific blockchain. So they use another blockchain to transfer their coins to another blockchain. So these are the chains. As you can see, like from here, this one upto, it used Ethereum. So this one used BSC. So in 1 hour, when you click here, they will show you how in 1 hour this coin has made profit like 8.9, 8.8, 8.3. So as like that. When you click again, it will show you the coin that have made a lot of losses in 1 hour. You can see this one is 35% in just 1 hour. So once you want more of it in 24 hours, you can click here. They will show you how this coin, the coin that have made a lot of percentage, 131.6%, almost 132% in just 24 hours. So if you want more of it, when you click more here, they will show you the coin that have made a lot of losses in the last 24 hours. When you come here, as you can see, it is 70%, 61, 58, and so on and so forth. So when you come here, the coin that they have used a lot of money in 24-hour volume, you can see this one is 93 millions, 85 millions, and so on and so forth. So if you want to see more of FDV, actually, to get the FDV, you get the current price times like this coin, 4 coin, you get the maximum supply from here times the current price from here. Then you get the FDV. FDV stands for fully diluted valuation. So if you want to evaluate, actually sometimes FDV can take long, even it can take a year if at all the coin is not moving well. So the latest, this one, it is the time when this coin was added. As you can see that this coin was added 3 hours ago. This one was added 4 hours ago. Like that, like that, like that. So if you want to see more of the coins, and most cases I tell people to evaluate the coins according to 24-hour volume. As you can see from here, you evaluate the coin that you want to make research on using 24-hour volume. So when you get it and you see the coin that they have used, like they have put a lot of money, automatically this is the coin that you can put your money. How you can make money in this very coin? After making your own research in this very coin, then you're going to click in it. Suppose that you have got a coin, let's say Pepe AI. So after getting this coin, you will see this is Pepe, the ranking. Right now it is not yet ranked. This is the current price. This is market cap, fully diluted market cap, 24 trading volume. You can see the circulating supply. You can see the total supply and maximum supply. So if you want to see more of the price, the market cap, and live chart, you can see and come here and make more of the research. At the same time, you can see the contract, the way how they are going to be using the blockchain, or the blockchain that they are going to be using. So after that, you can see the website, the explorers, the community where you can get them from. So the source code is the codes that they use it to make their website. Of course, all the things, this is tags, it is a meme coin. So when you click in their website, so this is their website, you can see everything that you want to see on Pepe AI. And this coin is different from Pepe. There is a coin called Pepe, and this one is different from the other one. So you can see all the issues that you want to see. So if you want to buy Pepe, you can come here how to buy. After clicking there, then you're going to see the steps that you're going to take, and you buy this very coin. I'm telling you, when a coin is just launched on CoinGecko, in most cases, it makes a lot of percentage in the nearby future. So as I told you, you first make your own research. You see how the coin is moving. You see its market cap, circulating supply, the total supply, maximum supply, and everything concerning that coin before you invest your money in any coin that you're going to buy. So after buying that coin, of course, when exchanges start to take that coin on their exchanges, that means you're going to make a lot of money in the nearby future. Like you saw on SHIB coin, Dogecoin, and the recent coin, it is called Pepe. Many people have made a lot of money after buying Pepe when it was just launched, and some people bought it on airdrop. So you can make your own research and you buy any coin that you make your research on, and you will make a lot of money in the nearby future. So that's all for today. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from Simo Crypto. Bye for today. Good luck.